Chapter 2. Reprogram your brain for success. You are not just a creature of free will. You are a creature of patterns. Patterns wired deeply into your brain. Every time you brush your teeth, check your phone, or tie your shoes without thinking, you're witnessing habit loops in action. And here's the key. Habits are not destiny. They are designable. Microhabits tap directly into your brain's wiring system, gently rewriting the code that controls your future. To master change, you first need to understand the simple, powerful mechanics operating inside your mind. The habit loop. Cue, craving, response, reward. At the center of every habit, good or bad, lies a predictable loop. Cue, a trigger that tells your brain to initiate a behavior, e.g., your alarm clock goes off. Craving, a desire for the change the habit delivers, e.g., you crave feeling awake. Response, the action you take, e.g., you grab coffee. Reward, the positive feeling that reinforces the loop, e.g., energy rush. Your brain is constantly scanning for ways to solve problems with minimal effort. Once it finds a solution that feels good, it locks it in. Microhabits sneak into this loop by making the response so ridiculously easy that you almost can't fail. Instead of trying to force yourself into a massive new behavior, you gently install a small version of it, giving your brain quick wins it loves. The science of why small beats big. Modern neuroscience shows that small behaviors, repeated over time, literally change the structure of your brain. This is called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself based on what you do repeatedly. Big changes scare your brain. They trigger the amygdala, the fear center, causing resistance,